Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and type iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click while using the app, then Allow, and tap Home button. Over here you need to tap on this dot next to Remember My Choice, click on iOS Launcher and tap Got it. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!